I literally live 5 minutes from here. I can't get home. This is my third way home. I gotta go back and go roundabout out to the left somewhere. Hopefully I get through there. It's been about, I don't know, half hour or so I'm trying to get home. Alright, we'll get back to you. Still trying. There's debris everywhere. Another tree down right there. There's a lot down. Looks like power's going to be out for a while. Making it. There's another way I can't get home. Alright, coming down Main Street. There's my boat for sale. Doesn't look like anything fell on that, thank God. Debris all over. The tree down at the diner. Lots of traffic. Still trying to get home. Alright, we couldn't get down Main Street. We're trying the fifth way home. Trees down everywhere, power lines down everywhere. This place is a wreck. Alright, we'll get back to you. This is Main Street, Durham. Durham, Connecticut. Gentlemen, yeah, there's stuff everywhere. Alright, I'm making my way home. It's taking a while. Looks like there's more damage down there on Main Street. We get hit pretty hard. Greenbacker's farm. Looks like they got hit pretty good. Still trying to get home, but we're getting closer. We got a couple miles to go. Guys, looks like round 2's on its way. I'm almost home. I'm about a quarter mile away from home. Took a long time to get here, but it doesn't look like we got hit too bad down here. We get our power from the other direction, so maybe we still got power down here. I don't know. Alright guys, I made it home. Took quite a while. Round 2's coming in. We have no power here. Durham, Connecticut got hit pretty hard. There's a lot of trees down, power's down everywhere. Like a freaking hurricane came through. But here it comes again. Alright, we'll get back to you if we survive. Well, it's pouring like crazy, but we ain't got the high winds, thank God. The frogs are liking it. Yeah, that's it for now. I got 1 minute left. Alright guys, I think it's over. Finally. We got no juice, but we lived through it. Till next time. See ya.